Hi, this is Jason from Ralcom covering the Motorola VB400 body camera and some use applications. We're going to be seeing how it ties into other parts of the Motorola ecosystem, including the Motorola R7 radio over here, and we have the Avigilon Unity video management software. You can tie it into other video management software such as Milestone or Genetec, but we're going to be covering Avigilon. So to start off with, we have tied the VB400 together to the R7 radio through Bluetooth. That gives us the benefit that if the radio gets put into emergency mode, it will trigger recording on the camera. So I've programmed the orange button here to trigger emergency mode. You'll see that the red recording light has come up on the VB400 camera. And as a side note, I am wearing a VB400 as well. The reason we got two camera alarm feeds coming up there is because the VB400 camera I'm wearing started recording due to being in range of the initial VB400 over here. So if you have multiple individuals wearing body cameras and they are responding to the same incident, one starts recording, it will automatically trigger the other devices if you program it that way. And you can see that now that we have stopped recording on the devices, on the cameras, it stopped streaming to the VMS software. So if you have staff that's concerned about privacy, what's going on while they're wearing their cameras, they are not being spied on by the operations center during a shift. The cameras in this instance are streaming during an emergency or during a recording session. So let's clear that. And we get these panels back to being armed for more alarms. So now I've also configured this radio for angle detection. So we're going to lie the radio down, simulating somebody who's fallen. Maybe they've had a medical emergency kick up and they can't respond. They couldn't hit a button. Maybe they got hit in the head. Who knows? But this is going to simulate somebody that can't get up. The timer here can be configured according to your needs. So let's just give it a minute here. So you can see it's gone into emergency mode over here. Radio's transmitting. And the VB400 has started recording, as well as, once again, my VB400 here has started recording. So we're going to just shut these emergency mode off. And we're going to turn off recording again. Acknowledge those alarms. Normally, the footage is offloaded from the body cameras when you put them back into their docks. Having said that, we're going to show how to create an incident. Well, once the incident stopped, it offloaded the footage to the server. So what we can do is we can see the recent media here, and we can create a new incident along with what happened, the title, what time the incident happened, when any notes about it. We can actually attach multiple incident clips as well once the incident is created. So if we have a medical emergency, if we have an issue with customer coming in and berating staff, maybe we need to ban them, who knows what happens. But we can go and manage the incident all within this platform here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Ralcom.